Is it possible to achieve 42x ROAS from a Google Ads campaign? Well, it's rare. But with the right strategy, you can definitely achieve 4x to 8x or even more. My approach is simple but powerful. Smart campaign structuring, precise audience targeting, continuous optimization to cut wasted spend.
In this campaign, with just $2,240 in ad spend, the business generated over 56,800 purchases,
Achieving a return on ad spend of 42x. And that's exactly what I help businesses do with Google Ads. Whether you're running an e-commerce store, local business, or even a global brand, I help you scale with measurable results, not just clicks. So if you're ready to stop wasting money and start scaling profitably with Google Ads, let's work together. Visit scimads.com and let's get started today.